friendship, today's video ay magluluto tayo ng tuna steak. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Friendship, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 1 kilong tuna, marinated na siya, 1 pirasong sibuyas, meron tayo ditong sibuyas dahon, 2 pirasong calamansi, 1 bell pepper, 6 cloves garlic, meron tayong 30 grams na oyster sauce, 1 kutsarang brown sugar, cooking oil, soy sauce, vinegar, and of course, salt and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. What we're going to do next, sa isang preheated pan ay maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. Ayan. And then, ipiprito na natin yung ating tuna. Ayan. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan sa friendship hanggang sa maluto yung ating tuna. Balikan natin siya later. Friendship, naiprito na natin yung ating tuna. So, set aside na lang muna natin siya. Gagawa tayo ng kanyang sauce. Friendship, sa the same pan, maglagay tayo ng garlic. Susutay lang natin ang ating garlic. And then, dagdag na rin natin ang ating onion. Ayan. At saka yung ating bell pepper. And after that, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng suka, ng ating vinegar. Ayan. And then ang kunting toyo. And then, dagdag na rin natin ang ating brown sugar. And at this point, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng salt. Saka pepper. Dagdag tayo ng konting tubig ka friendship. Okay. Isisimmer lang natin. And at this point, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng maglagay ng oyster sauce. So, tikman natin sa pansya kung okay na yung kanyang lasa. So, ayan, okay na siya ka-friendship. So, what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our tuna steak sauce. So, ayan. So, ayan, luto na ang ating sauce ka-friendship. So, pwede na nating i-assemble ang ating tuna steak. Friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating tuna steak. So, ayan, medyo masabaw siya ka-friendship kasi gusto ng mga anak ko yung ulam namin mas maraming sabaw. Okay, so i-garnish lang natin siya ng spring onion. Ayan. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating tuna steak for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Totomira at your service. Always remember, you can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.